let's play the Hunger Game. Now, what is Hunger Game? Hunger Game is actually combination of everything that you have learned so far. Eating when hungry, eating slowly, eating till you're 80% full, and really now making that into a complete, lifestyle, a complete sequence of eating. So here is what we're going to do. We're going to look at how should you feel with hunger or about hunger in the complete timeline of eating. So this is where you would understand when to eat. Now, when to eat is not so much about time on the clock, it's about your hunger. So let's look at this. So today, notice how you feel before, during, and after eating. You're going to rank your physical hunger on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being the worst hunger ever, and 1 no hunger at all. When you're truly physically hungry, then you eat. But when you decide to you eat slowly and mindfully, and you stop when you are 80% full or satisfied. And you adjust the size of your meal and frequency of your meal based on these cues, which means you don't have to decide how many hours, when to eat, what to eat, all of that stuff. You will learn and fine tune all of that now. So just before eating, ask or check this: Are you physically hungry? Pause and check it. Look at the signals like rumbling stomach, lightheadedness, irritability, etc. You really want to be around 7 out of 10 on a hunger scale, right? Then, immediately after eating, to be around 80% full, you need to be at 2 or 3 out of 10 on a hunger scale. So pause for 15 to 20 minutes before you eat more if you think that you have to eat, which will give your brain time to really catch up and understand the satisfaction levels from your stomach. And again, you want to feel satisfied, not stuffed, right? About 1 hour after finishing, you should still feel physically satisfied with no desire to eat another meal. About 2 hours after finishing, you may start to feel little hungry. You could eat something, but the feeling isn't overwhelming. 3 to 4 hours after finishing, check in again. You may be getting a bit hungry, maybe about 4 or 6 out of 10. If you're around 7, then you can eat. If you're not hungry yet, that's okay. Continue to follow your body cues. Now, about 4 hours or more after finishing the first meal or one of your meals, you are probably quite hungry now. Uh, it's like nothing can get between you and your kitchen, your food. You are somewhere around 7 or even higher. And if you're still not hungry yet, which could happen if you had a very heavy meal, or if you were sleeping for longer time, or if you were resting during that time, you may not feel hungry, and that's okay. Keep checking in with your body. You may find that you will need to really eat fast as soon as you feel hungry if you are sleeping or if you are resting. So keep your snacks or keep your healthy eating options ready in case. So now, just to continue this, understand this. What you got to do is you can download this worksheet here from the download section just below this video. And this worksheet will help you get into the habit of noticing how physically hungry or full you are, and look for the body cues such as growling stomach or sense of stomach emptiness, lightheadedness, headache, irritability, shakiness, any of these. The more you practice observing your physical hunger cues and differentiating them from just wanting to eat, better you get there, right? More you eat when you're physically hungry, more healthier it is, help you losing weight, all of that. So now, what is your goal? Your goal is to, one, stay aware of your physical hunger cues and learn to calibrate your eating. Number two, start eating when you are around 7 or 8. Don't go till 9 or 10 most of the time, because then there is this tendency of eating too fast or too much. Then you're going to stop eating when you're around 2 or 3, which means when you're around 80% full. Now, notice your thoughts, your emotions. physical sensation around eating times that will tell you how or what is your relationship with food. How does it really make you feel? And again, try to distinguish between need to eat from want to eat or should eat kind of rules. So this is how you use this worksheet. You got to mark two numbers for each meal. How hungry are you when you start eating? And how hungry are you when you finish eating? And observe and record your emotional sensations at each meal. So if you look at this, you start here, which means hungriest is 10. So you can start at 10 and finish at 1, right? This is like thing. But ideally, where you want to be is you start when you're 7, okay, and you stop when you are around 2 or 3. Now, more you stay between this range of 8, 7, 3, 2, more it is likely to help you eat based on your physical hunger cues and your body's requirement. And that's how it will help you really lose weight, improve your digestion, improve your energy levels, control your blood sugar, all of that. So all you have to do is use this worksheet, download it from the download button below, practice the hunger game, and see and really get good at it. Because when you get good at it, if you can understand this, you're not now worried about external rules. You're not worried about anybody or anything else. You can practice this anywhere, anytime, because this is completely on you. And if you can really master this hunger game, you have kind of mastered 80% art of eating, because the three most important things: why you're eating, how you're eating, how much you're eating, everything comes together in this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Master the hunger game, and I'll see you again.